Streets been a mess, how can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been, could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate.
Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. So dito tayo ngayon sa Neo Classic X Hyundai collab meet. So ito yung Elantra N, naka-display siya sa meet natin. So we're here in BGC Taguig and medyo maulan but tuloy pa rin yung meet and nagsisimula na magdatingan yung mga tao and excited ako makita kayo lahat dito. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari today. Excited na ako and tagal ko na wala sa pag-vlog but I'm back and tuloy-tuloy na yung paggawa natin ng vlog. So let's go. Kasama natin si Brian, ating partner sa Neo Classic. And medyo umuulan but nakakatuwa kasi may mga tao pa rin pumunta kahit umuulan. And yun, di ba? Enjoy lang kahit na umuulan, tuloy pa rin ang laban.
Well, yeah, of course, titigil naman ito mamaya-maya. It's really bad weather right now. So yun, we have free food, free drinks, and hoping na tumila itong ulan para tuloy-tuloy ang ating saya.
Yes, and meron tayong giveaway na shirt. So, yes. Ito yung design sa likod. Ganda. Yung Ioniq and yung Elantra N. Medyo basang sisiw na tayo sa ulan. But yeah, ito na yung mga kotse nagdadatingan na sila kahit na umuulan. Pakita ko sa inyo.
Really been going back to back to back to back to back to back to back. Like the neighborhood warriors. I don't miss, I don't play none, I don't diss, I don't say none. I go swish, that's an A1. I steak with no A1. Tell the chef, I said thanks. Tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops, drop a lot and she pack the bags. She shot till we drop. I just wake up, I don't say none. I'm on go, I don't stay long. I've been up now, that's a case wine. I've been down too, like the day strong. I got summer toys for the summer boy. I keep drummer boys in the summer boy. I keep making noise, I've been paranoid. This is God body, you can never void.
Meron ditong GR Yaris and 35 Nismo and kay Kuya Job na Q45 na naka-air. And of course, favorite ko, si RWB Tubero, napakabait ng may-ari na to. And ito, may dala ng Rolls Royce, di ko na sasabihin kung sino, pero grabe, sobrang boss mode. So ito, sila Atom, Subaru. Meron ding BRZ, Atom din. Ganda ng livery, parang yung Evangela yun. This one is the Elantra N. So, na-drive ko siya. Super ganda ng kotse na to. It's a 2-liter turbocharged engine. Price range na nasa 2.7 million. And around 280 horsepower siya. Saka ang ganda ng kulay, ang tawag dyan, performance blue. This one naman is the Ioniq 5N. This car is a full electric car and it has 600 horsepower. Pag pinindot mo yung N-boost mode niya, nagiging 650 horsepower. So additional 50 horsepower siya. All-wheel drive. Grabe itong kotse na to. Wild yan. Ito yung kotse na to, papatay ito ng mga GTR. This one naman is the Ioniq 6. So hindi siya N-brand or hindi siya N-line car, but it's a full electric car. And alam nyo ba, pinapower niya tong ref. Diyan tayo kumukuha ng mga drinks niyan. So nakasaksak yung ref sa kotse. So pwede kayong mag-charge ng mga gamit nyo basta may plug sa kotse. Actually, alam ko pwede mo isaksak yung bahay mo dyan sa kotse para i-power na yung bahay mo. Alam ko pwede yun. Si RWB Yutaka is here din and meron siyang katabing 911 na 997 na naka-Advan Mag Blue. And of course, yung kotse ni Banawi Boy, super cute na Mini Cooper, Nagaraya livery, of course. Yan. Sobrang cute, parang si Alex. So meron tayong food by Izakaya Geronimo. Ayan, napakasarap. So pinapamigay natin yan sa mga tao para kahit umuulan, busog yung mga chan nila. Sobrang ganda ng GR Yaris na to. Meron siyang red and white accents. And meron siyang arcs, mini arcs na para sa fenders niya. Ganda. Pati yung mugs niya, ganda rin, no? Meron ditong Porsche na blue. Tingnan natin sino yung driver. Uy! Uy! Hello! Uy! Uy! Ikaw ba yung may-ari ng kangkong chips? Ikaw si Cholo, ikaw si Josh Moica?
Hindi bro, nagmimerienda lang.
Nagbebenta ka?
Nagmimerienda lang?
Nagmemerienda.
Bro,
Akala ko nabili mo tong Porsche na to dahil sa kangkong chips.
oo, bro.
Wow! Ang lupit mo naman. Ano masasabi mo? So naka-Porsche owner kayo, boss, no?
Di naman nalata siguro, boss. Siguro, boss.
Pero ano masasabi mo sa bagong Hyundai Ioniq
boss,
5N?
Ito nga, kaya nga ako napakuha ng sticker.
May sticker pack ka pa,
Oo, kasi ang lakas sa gas nito eh.
Oh,
Ang lakas sa gas. So, minsan napapaisip ako parang
mag-EV, no?
EV kasi charge na lang. Mas masarap kumain kangkong dun eh.
Kangkong chips. Wow, ito pala yung mga... Totoo yun.
Totoo yun.
Yung mga nagbebenta ng kangkong chips, yung mayaman.
Oo, nagmimerienda.
Tapos nagiging kangkong din yung utak.
Oo,
Ay.
boss. Kain kayo, kangkong, para kayo, Porsche.
So Julian is here with the S3. And ito malupit. S15 Vertex Ridge. Ganda. Sobrang pogi. Wow. Bira lumabas tong kotse na to. Dito lang siya lumabas. Ito actually yung first meet niya eh. Not sure pero grabe.
So guys, actually, we were scared. Let's be honest. We were scared nung una kasi siyempre it kept on raining. It's still raining right now. Pero guys, thank you very much for coming. It was a good turnout. There are like good cars right here. Rolls Royces, Lamborghinis, GTRs and everything, and the Genesis boys is here, Subaru boys are here, and of course really happy with the support of Hyundai that are being shown here, the Elantra N, and of course the Ioniq 5N and the Ioniq 6. Guys, thank you very much. This is really a good turnout. We're really happy with what we have right now, and this will not be possible if it weren't for you guys. Thank you very much for the support. Neo Classic and Hyundai, thank you.
Also, we're here in the Hyundai event right now, and it's actually pretty cool. You know, even if it's raining, everyone's in such high spirits, and the food is actually really good. I think they partnered with an izakaya nearby on this. You know, it's really cool because even though it's kind of raining, a lot of familiar faces are here, new faces. You know, everyone here is just so cheerful and just getting together. Actually, the rain forced everyone to come closer together under the covers, so you're really getting to know one another with the cars too. And I think the additional lights and the music is just keeping everyone's spirits up too. It's really fun. Of course, when you enter, the centerpiece is the Hyundai Ioniq N and then the Elantra N as well. And I think these are two of the coolest cars on the market right now. Especially for the price of the Elantra. I think there's nothing that can beat it, honestly. With the pops and bangs and how fast it is. I didn't get a chance to try the Ioniq, but I drove a regular Ioniq and that was so fun. So the Ioniq N must be that times like 100 with how fast it is.
May dumadating na Supra KLC. Wow. Tumigil na yung ulan. Kasama ko yung mga idol ko, si Martin pati si Ali. Birthday niya ngayon! And bagong kasal sila, guys!
Hindi kami kinasal.
Ay, di ba kayo kasal? Invitado lang sa kasal.
Kapatid niya yung kinasal.
Kapatid mo. Kala ko kayo yung kinasal. Excited pa naman ako eh.
Siya muna. Bago
Wala,
kami.
single. So, kailangan muna natin ng jowa bago yung kasal.
Message na alam niyo na, single.
Pero maraming salamat sa pagpunta. As in, super kahit na galing kayo sa kasal, sumuporta pa rin kahit umuulan, pumunta pa rin kayo. Yun, and actually, sobrang daming pumunta kanina kahit na umuulan na nakakatuwa. Kasi natakot kami kasi baka hindi pumunta yung mga tao eh. Kasi
yung weather eh.
umuulan. Signal number 1 eh. Oo, tapos yun, kahit na sobrang lakas ng ulan, pumunta pa rin yung mga tao. Kaya super grateful ako sa mga nagpunta. Maraming salamat po
Ganun sila
sa pagpunta.
mag-influence ng tao, guys.
pero yun, ginagawa na to para sa kultura, di ba?
Community natin.
Para sa car culture, and si Hyundai nagsuporta sa atin. Sobrang grabe yung... grabe. As in, saka yung mga kotse nila ngayon, ang gaganda talaga. As in, talagang game changer para sa mga ibang brands din. So, talagang unique din. And yeah, yun. enjoy tayo sa gabi na to. Maraming salamat guys sa mga pumunta dito sa event natin. And abangan nyo yung mga susunod. Madami pa to.
Yes.
This is just the beginning. And hindi kayo nakapunta, merong next month. Kasi
next week, may next week. Ganun sila kasi.
So lang talagang para maangat natin yung local car culture. And ito yung katulad nila, yun yung mga tao behind our community. And ganoon lang, tulungan lang and enjoy car life. Yes, kahit na umulan, enjoy car life.
Yes.
So yun guys, dito na tapos yung vlog ko. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And see you guys soon.
Gusto ka maganda.
I've been on the road so long, forgot I had a home. I'm out in Miami, a celebrity galore. I got what I need, but I always want more. Always going out, that's why they call me North. You could call me Norte. In a 911, pull off in a Porsche. I ain't never losing sleep from what these horses say. Just get my good side, make sure that shit 4K, yeah. Baby, I've been serving L's like the weed man.